The premium midsize SUV segment is seeing an intense rivalry as the completely redesigned, 5th generation 2027 BMW X5 G65 squares off against the heavily updated 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE. While BMW has fully reinvented the X5 with architectural cues from its upcoming Neue Klasse, Mercedes-Benz has chosen an extensive overhaul for the GLE, replacing roughly 3,000 components and adding a standard pillar-to-pillar Hyperscreen, to celebrate the brand's 140th anniversary. Here is a breakdown of how these two German titans compare across design, powertrains, interior technology, and overall driving dynamics. Interior and infotainment technology. Both manufacturers are treating the dashboard like a movie theater, but the interface philosophies differ. BMW X5 debuts the panoramic iDrive, BMW Operating System X. It features a stunning, panoramic vision display stretching across the entire width of the windshield base, paired with a central 17.9-inch hexagonal display and a new front passenger side screen. It leans heavily toward an open, minimalist, and app-driven ecosystem, supporting Zoom, Air Console Gaming, Disney+, and YouTube. Mercedes-Benz GLE now comes standard with a massive triple display screen, similar to the Hyperscreen, spanning the entire dashboard width under a single piece of glass, including a dedicated screen for the front passenger. Operating on MB.OS, Mercedes seamlessly integrates Google Maps natively along with AI support via ChatGPT and Microsoft. Interestingly, Mercedes has kept more tactile, physical shortcut buttons for climate control and seat adjustments than BMW. Exterior design and dimensions. The two vehicles take radically different stylistic directions. 2027 BMW X5 adopts a cleaner, sportier, and highly futuristic design language. Up front, it utilizes svelte, conservative X headlight signatures and hiding flush-mounted door handles. It has grown slightly longer, lower, and sleeker. 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE sticks to a traditional, imposing, and ultra-luxurious profile. It features redesigned headlamps with a twin-star motif. Dimensionally, the GLE remains shorter but stands taller and slightly wider than the BMW. Dimensions battle. Length, BMW X5, 4,994 mm/196.6 in, versus Mercedes GLE, 4,924 mm/193.8 in. The X5 is roughly 2.7 inches longer. Wheelbase. The X5's wheelbase has stretched to 3,035 mm, giving it a 40 mm, 1.5 in, advantage over the GLE's 2,995 mm wheelbase. Seating note: BMW will sell the 2027 X5 exclusively as a two-row SUV to prioritize cargo space and passenger room. Those wanting a third row must move up to the X7. The GLE traditionally retains a tighter, optional third row layout. Powertrains and performance. When it comes to performance, the X5 holds a significant upper hand in raw power and sheer powertrain diversity, offering 5 different types of propulsion on the same platform, depending on the market. Base gas models. BMW X540 features the legendary V58 3.0-liter inline-6 engine pushing out roughly 400 horsepower. Mercedes GLE 350 operates on a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, boosted by an electric auxiliary compressor and a 48V integrated starter generator, outputting 255 horsepower. Note: global/European specifications lean toward dropping 4 cylinders entirely for higher-end inline 6s, but the US base model remains a 4-cylinder. The mid-tier and V8s. Stepping up to the Mercedes GLE 450 grants a 3.0-liter inline 6 pushing 375 HP, while the GLE 580 features a thunderous 4.0-liter V8 generating 530 HP. BMW matches these with performance-focused M-tuned inline-6 and high-output hybrids, like the X5 M60e out of the US, or an expected U.S-bound M-Performance V8. Plug-in hybrids. PHEV BMW X550e xDrive combines a robust inline-6 with an electric motor. Mercedes GLE 500e 4MATIC pairs its inline-6 with a powerful electric motor to achieve a combined system output of 429 horsepower and 502 lb-ft of torque, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. Going fully electric, EV BMW 9/5. For the first time, BMW offers a battery electric variant built alongside the gas versions in South Carolina. Boasting 800V architecture and 6th Gen eDrive tech, the 9560 xDrive claims a massive targeted EPA estimated range of up to 435 miles and fast charging capability. Mercedes-Benz does not offer a fully electric version of the GLE on this platform, steering EV buyers toward the distinct EQE SUV instead. BMW is also planning a future zero-emission 9.5 hydrogen fuel cell variant. Ride, handling, and utility. The driver's pick, BMW the X5 relies heavily on its signature driving dynamics. It sits lower to the ground, features automatic self-leveling air suspension that drops by up to 20 mm in sport modes, and offers optional firmer M adaptive chassis packages. The off-road luxury pick, Mercedes the GLE remains the ultimate comfort cruiser but retains excellent utility. It can tow up to 7,700 pounds and offers the advanced e-active body control suspension, which allows the vehicle to literally bounce itself out of deep sand or mud, alongside a transparent bonnet camera feature for navigating rugged trails. Cargo space, the Mercedes GLE takes a slight win for absolute max cargo capacity, offering 630 to 2,055 liters with seats down, compared to the X5's 655 to 1,850 liters. Pricing and availability. 2027 BMW X5, built in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Gas model production starts in late summer, with the entry-level rear-wheel drive X540 starting at $69,800, plus $1,450 destination, scaling up to $72,100 for the xDrive all-wheel drive, $77,500 for the PHEV, and $79,800 for the fully electric 9560. 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE, built in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Expected to hit dealerships in late fall. Official pricing figures are yet to be finalized but will likely closely trail the X5's price brackets. Summary verdict. Choose the 2027 BMW X5 if you want a complete generational redesign, vastly superior base performance, a more driver-centric chassis, cutting-edge Neue Klasse technology, or a long-range fully electric luxury EV model. Choose the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE if you prefer timeless luxury styling, a massive wall-to-wall infotainment layout that retains physical controls, superior maximum cargo space, and exceptional towing/off-road chassis mechanics.